And as you can see guys, we have this script, we have farming, eggs, spawner, look at this. What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you get Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. Then scroll down and you will find the online tool Delta Executor. Click there and now we must enter our username. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here and I will now paste my here. Okay, let me click connect to the server and let's wait a little bit. User found, nice, just click connect, import latest Delta Executor, select script that you want to add to your account, click continue guys, and let's wait a little bit. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for this. Okay, now just scroll down, we have key, okay. Just scroll down and click verify now and let's wait a little bit. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. The app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this Amazon app, and this just play and earn money. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got the status complete success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting guys and let's see the final step. Injection successful guys, that's it. So let me open my Roblox and let's test does it actually works. Let's see guys. Okay, let me play this Grow Garden. And let's test this. Okay guys, look at this, we have these panels. So thanks for using Delta. Okay, let me show you now how to use any script. Just click on this home button and select script that you want to add. I always choose this niches. Just click execute and let's wait a little bit. Now, and as you can see guys, we have this script, we have farming, eggs, spawner, look at this. This is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.